Hey loves, I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial on bleaching knots. I am going to show you guys how I bleach my knots on my 613 wig that I made, and what I am going to be using for powder is a quick white powder lightener, and this is what it looks like. And you can get this from Sally's. I think it was like $5. Mixing bowl. You need a dye brush. I'm just gonna cut this open because this is actually brand new. I needed some more brushes and stuff. Like when I was in school, I had so many brushes and stuff. I don't even know what happened to them, honestly. A dye brush, and then you also are going to need some developer, and I got the 30 volume cream developer. Let's see. You guys can see it. Yeah. 30 volume cream developer. So, all right, let's get started. Also some gloves too, because you don't want this bleach to get all over your hands. So I'm just gonna use these gloves. I'm gonna take my mixing bowl, my powder lightener, and I'm gonna pour it all into the mixing bowl. And you guys, please make sure that you guys read the directions on there. Like, I am showing you guys how to do it, but make sure that you guys read the directions too. Just like, if you get a little lost, it's not too hard. So what you do is pour the mixing powder in there, and then on top of that, you pour the cream developer in there, and then I'm gonna mix it till it's a thicker consistency. I don't know if you guys can see that. Man, bleach will knock you out. Big facts. Just pour a little bit more. You don't want any lumps or any humps to be in it. Any lumps or any humps. Just any lumps, guys. So make sure that you mix it until it's like this is what it looks like after being mixed. Thicker. Actually, I'm gonna add a little tad bit more developer because it's like super thick, but I don't want it to be super runny either because you don't want it to leak through your lace. Birthday wig coming up, y'all. I'm about to be litty 23 shorty. All right, so what I am going to do is take my brush, you guys see this, and I am going to apply it to my lace. Take a decent amount. Be careful too. Don't like super rub everything in, but take your time with this. Okay, so it's not that big of a deal because I'm gonna, after I get done bleaching the knots on this, I am going to actually, you guys, my birthday's coming, so I'm so overly excited. I'm about to be like Hey, fuck it up. Fuck it. Hey, fuck it up. No, but I'm going to the cities, which is Minneapolis, and I am going to have a lingerie party, and I have all my girls in that thing, and this is what I'm doing right now, getting my wig ready for my party and my birthday, because I cannot be petty on my birthday, y'all. I just cannot. I can't even do it. But I'm gonna have a lingerie party on the 10th, and then I am going to on my actual birthday, which is the 11th, I am going to have like all of my family come up, and we're all gonna go out, and we're all gonna have some fun, and I'm just overly excited about that because, yeah, I just can't wait. I love having family around, y'all. Like, my family's lit as fuck. We be turn, like, turn. All together, yes, like, no cap. When we pop out, we pop in. Out. Yeah, but like I said, just be careful, because you don't want it to be like super soaked through. But I mean, if it does, it doesn't matter too much because of the fact that the color that I'm dyeing my hair. Oh, sheesh. I'm dyeing my roots black anyway, so it's not like it would really show too much. But yeah, just take your time, shawty. And I'm just taking for the edge of my lace, because I had already cut my lace, because I already wore this wig. Y'all know when you first do a wig, you gotta try it on to make sure that it looked good and everything. But yeah, I had already did that, so that's why it's already cut. I seen this tutorial, and this girl was I'm just going over everything, smoothing everything out. This girl was she was doing her she was bleaching her knots with a butter knife, and I was like, that's actually pretty lit. That's like a great idea. Like, literally. Like, yes, whoever thought of that, kudos to them. Because yes, that is so clutch. I really don't even remember the channel I was watching it on, but man, some of these people got some cold YouTube channels. I'd be like, yes, like, y'all is doing it. Keep going. I love hair. Take my edge brush, and I'm about to dip it in here, and I'm about to take it and apply it on my lace, because it's the easier way to do it. Ooh, maybe I should have been doing this all along. That would have been way neater, way smoother. I'm not saying that it's not neat now, but But y'all, I gotta do a video on what my outfit gonna look. No, I can't do it. While I'm on my birthday, I'll film. I'll film so you guys can see what I'm doing, how much fun I'm having, where I'm gonna go. Also, like what my outfit looks like. I probably might do a get ready with me. I gotta go to the mall, get some new makeup, cause I'm trying to be slay. Okay. Okay, honey. Oh, Kurt. And all right, and then I'm just going to leave this. So now we're all done with the knots, or bleaching the knots. Not bleaching them, but got all the bleach on top of them. I am going to leave this on for about 20 minutes, and then I will be back to show you guys what the final result looks like. All right. Okay. I wish I could roll my tongue like she did. But all right, guys, I'll be back when it's done. Okay, you guys, so I have everything rinsed out. This is what my wig looks like, wet. It is so pretty, like so pretty wet, except for I'm not keeping it this color, so don't get used to it. But you guys can see my knots, they are all bleached, and it's super transparent, like super transparent. As you can see like my mannequin head, like clear as day, like literally clear as day. Like they are so transparent, it's ridiculous. It looks so pretty, so pretty. Yes, I'm living for these curls right now. This wig is life. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna blow dry it, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like afterwards, and I'll be back.